अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज की बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट ज़रूरत, वेरी सेंसिटिव इशू ड्यू टू कोरोना वायरस, दैट इज़ हैंड सैनिटाइज़र and face mask. We may purchase face mask from market, from medical stores, but due to cost effective hand sanitizer, I want to produce a cheap hand sanitizer for the public humanity. So please watch my video and to see all my items which are being used for the hand sanitizer. So now we are preparing for this subject. Please witness. To see this, which is first element, that is called shower. Open. Rosemary. To filled. That is enough. No further glycerine which will be used. To open the bottle and fill in it. That is enough. Half has been used. The third, which is called Dettol, everyone knowing this. Have to be used. The last item, which is called methylated spirit, which is already being used to kill the germs from wounds as well as to clean the hand. Now shake well. The bottle is going on a light hot. Now we are adjusting the shower. When you are going to out from home or return, always do this practice. And then wash the hands at least 20 to 30 seconds, and you may to save yourself as well as your family. My formula for said purpose in first grade of corona has been shared on my timeline मेरे मुशाहदे and to use this, inshallah, several people have saved their lives. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.